Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to make money with a Beehiiv newsletter, even if you are just starting out. Whether you are a writer, marketer, or creator, this step-by-step guide will show you how to grow your audience and turn emails into income. So, first of all, we need to know what is Beehiiv. Beehiiv is a powerful newsletter platform built for creators and businesses. It's similar to Substack or ConvertKit but includes more monetization tools, better analytics, and growth focused features. The best part, you can start for free and scale as you grow. First of all, choose your niche and goal. Decide what your newsletter will focus on. It could be tips and tutorials, niche news or trends, personal growth or productivity, curated content or opinion pieces. Choose a topic you can write about consistently and that your audience will find valuable. Your niche determines your monetization method. Go to beehiiv.com, then sign up with your email address. Click start trial, then choose a plan from here, like launch for this tutorial, then click get started. Now enter your name, email address, and a strong password. You can sign in with your Google account. Just click get started and verify your email. Open in Gmail, then click Beehiiv, then click verify. Now enter your mobile number. For this tutorial, I will use a temporary number. Now choose your country name from here and paste your mobile number here. Copy your mobile number and paste it here. Then click send code and follow the process. Now create your first publication. Wait a minute. Here's your dashboard. Look like that. Add your branding, newsletter name, description, logo, and colors. Customize your welcome email and set up a landing page where people can subscribe. Beehiiv gives you one-click tools to start building your email list. To make money, you need subscribers. Use these strategies to grow. Share valuable content on social media like Twitter, TikTok, LinkedIn. Use lead magnets like free PDFs or checklists. Partner with other newsletters using Beehiiv's boosts feature. Add sign up for forms to your blog and or YouTube videos. Offer a referral program. to reward subscribers who share. Now let's talk about money. Here are the top ways to monetize your Beehiiv newsletter, like sponsored posts. Reach out to brand or use Beehiiv's ad network to get paid for featuring sponsors in your emails. Paid subscriptions log premium content behind a paywall and charge readers monthly. Affiliate marketing. Promote products with affiliate links. When someone buys, you earn a commission. Sell your own products or services. Use the newsletter to drive traffic to your course, ebook, or consulting offer. Then boosts. Beehives boosts let you earn money by recommending other newsletters. Beehive gives you real-time data, open rates, click-throughs, and subscriber growth, and more. Use this information to refine your subject lines, test different content types, and double down on what works. Engaged readers equal to more income. And that's how you make money with Beehive. From zero to earning with newsletters in 2025. Now, let's take a quick look at Beehive dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. At a glance, you will see your subscribers count, growth rate, open rates, and recent campaign performance. The left-hand menu lets you manage everything. Posts to write and schedule newsletters. Audience to view subscriber profiles and segment them. Monetization, where you will find boosts, referral settings, and ads analytics for open rates, click-throughs, and engagement graphs. Settings to customize your branding domain and integrations. It's clean, intuitive, and beginner friendly, and that's what makes Beehive such a powerful tool even if you are just getting started. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment what your newsletter topic will be. Check the links in the description for tools and free templates to help you get started. So thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.